Welcome friends to this session of pillow breathing. Today we just need one pillow which we're going to use to put on our abdomen when we lie down. You can lie down on your bed, you can lie down on the mat in your living room or on your yoga mat, anywhere. The idea is to put the pillow on our abdomen and then try to connect with abdominal breathing, trying to feel all this area, which is where many times we have blockages in this diaphragmatic muscle. It needs to be relaxed, it needs to be able to move, and this stimulates the nervous system, it stimulates all the breathing muscles, and it allows for the lungs to fill up completely with clean air. And on the deep exhalations in the abdomen, we can connect to very deep relaxation. So try it with me. Come and lie down on your mat, on the floor, and just allow for the pillow to come on top of your abdomen, feeling this weight here, and then starting to connect with the abdominal breath, allowing the pillow to come up on the inhalation. Inhale, pillow comes up. Exhale, pillow comes down. Continue like this. Exhaling, coming down. Try to feel the movements of the pillow, and this allows you to connect deeply to the abdominal muscles. Now when the abdomen comes down, try to relax. Release the jaw, release the face, release the neck, release the shoulders. Continue at your own rhythm. With your eyes closed, feeling the weight of the pillow on your abdomen. Feeling how the inhalation lifts the pillow. Exhalation, allowing it to come down. On the exhalation, relax deeper and deeper. Continue at your own rhythm, trying to feel yourself deeply. Feeling is connecting with yourself. Allowing this process of feeling to take you from the mind into the body. And on every exhalation, relaxing deeper and deeper and deeper. Now you can stay like this, or maybe you might want to try to inhale and hold the breath for 1 second. And then exhale and release and fall into that relaxation, release in the nervous system. And again, inhale, pillow coming up. Hold the breath. And exhale. So please continue at your own rhythm. Just this very simple breathing technique which helps you to release and relax, to let go of tensions and to come to the present moment only through the breath. Our breath can become a powerful medicine when we use it properly. It allows us to control our mind. Instead of the mind controlling us, we can let go of the tensions and allow the mind to be peacefully in the present moment without any efforts. Continue feeling the oxygen coming into the lungs, and on the exhalation, the relaxation going through the whole system. Make sure your forehead and your eyes and your jaw and your whole face is deeply relaxed. Make sure your neck and your shoulders are deeply relaxed. Make sure your arms and your hands and your chest and your abdomen are deeply relaxed. Make sure your whole back is completely relaxed. Inhaling, the pillow comes up. Exhaling, the pillow coming down. Feeling your hips and your buttocks, allowing them to relax on the next exhalation. And allowing the legs and the feet to also release completely. Stay here for as long as you need. You can change the breath from holding on the inhalation and letting go on the exhalation. Or you can just allow yourself now to breathe naturally without any control, but just trying to feel very grounded and very present, as if the tensions had disappeared and one was deeply relaxed. So stay here for as long as you need, enjoying this powerful and simple pillow breathing. Thank you for joining me. Namaste.